What's the most embarrassing thing that's ever happened to you? Last time when I was at the store, I spotted a guy wearing the exact same jacket as my best friend. Same color, same brand, even the same little rip on the sleeve. I didn't even think twice. I walked right up behind him, tapped him on the shoulder, and said, "Finally done shopping, you slowpoke? Took you long enough?" The guy turned around, and it wasn't my best friend. It was just some random stranger who stared at me like I had completely lost my mind. I froze. We just stood there for a second, both super awkward. Then I mumbled some apology and basically ran out of the store, without even buying anything. I don't think I'll ever recover from that level of secondhand embarrassment.